My name is Benjamin Voelcker, and I am the product manager here at Maruho Hatsujyo Innovations. Here at MHI, we are a subsidiary of Maruho Company, which is a major Japanese pharmaceutical company. We're located here in Norwell, Massachusetts, and we have a team of engineers that are dedicated to creating custom solutions for your applications. We really create a partnership with our customers. We provide them with engineering solutions and customized tooling that best meets their products' packaging needs.
MHI serves 5 major industries: pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, medical devices, cannabis, and food. MHI's machines are lightweight, compact, and versatile. They require only a single operator and can be used in a wide range of applications. The Eagle series of blister packaging machines offer solutions that will meet all of your packaging needs. The Eagle Omni is one of MHI's flagship machines. It is compact for its production rates and features recipe-driven format changing, Toolless Changeover, Platen Sealing, with options for printing, perforation, and a variety of feeding solutions. The Eagle RX is MHI's pharmaceutical machine. It has been designed for pharmaceutical standards with nutraceutical budgets in mind. This machine features Rotary Sealing, which provides a more secure seal for blister packaging, multi-zone heating, allowing for a variety of materials, and Toolless Changeover, which is great when you change from one product to another.
We place our customers above all else. Let our Eagle Series machines do the work for you.
With the Eagle Series, you can maximize profits, reduce costs, increase efficiency, and deliver the best products for your customers. Reach out today for a quotation.
Let us take your project to the next level.
Maruho Hatsujyo Innovations. We are more than just packaging.